most of the time, when we're looking for a summer job, the first thing that goes into our mind, Nick, is what would be fun? You better know what I'm talking about? Tracking with me on that? What are we going to do this summer? Well, what would be fun? As opposed to thinking, what's going to be functional? What's going to prepare me for the next step? You know? Or it could be very easy, Hallie. Where can I make some money? You better know what I'm talking about there? If I can get money and fun, I got the dream job for the summer. You know? If I can have a good time and get a little bit of money at the same time, I'll have the dream job. And it's not that those things are wrong by any means. I tell you right now, if it's not a whole lot of fun, it's going to be terrible. You know, you're not going to like it. So you want it to be fun. You want to make some money, but there are some other things that we need to look at that, again, usually folks at your age group aren't really thinking about. And so what happens is you come through 4 years, you go through 4 summers, you've had some fun experiences, you've done some things, but you really don't know what's in your hands. You really don't realize what you have learned because you haven't been intentional about it. Okay? Since I'm at OBU, I can throw this in. It's kind of like Moses walking around with a staff for 40 years. He didn't realize what he had in his hand. Those of you guys, you know, Cody, I'm sure you know your Bible because you came from Louisville. You know, how am I going to do this, Lord? How's this going to work? I know they teach in Louisville. But, you know, the Lord goes, what do you have in your hand? Now, I'm sure his response was, a stick. You know? But what the Lord did is, no. You've got a whole lot more than a stick in your hand. And the Lord went on to show him what that staff was. And a lot of times, again, we can move through college, we can even move through high school, we can have several different jobs, but because we don't know questions to ask, and we just kind of go, yeah, they're going to give me a job. Okay, where do you want me? Well, we want you to work in youth ministry. Okay, what am I going to do? Well, say hi to that boy. Hi, what do I do next? You know, we don't really know what to do. And we're not really deliberate about it. So that's what we're going to be covering today as we go through this slideshow. Strategizing your summers. Making sure that you are getting prepared for your future.